Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so this is my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Great device, phone calls, text messages, things like that. It works perfectly fine. Okay, battery life is great. It's a 2-day plus device for me. I do carry two devices. I do have an Apple Watch Apple Watch Ultra that I use to answer phone calls as well as text messages. But my usage with two devices, this is a 2-day plus battery device. Okay, what people really want to know about was social media, because everything now, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, who am I missing, YouTube, everything now goes to social media. So cameras are very important now, especially on cell phones. So I want to share some photos and videos that I recently took going on a trip to Santa Elena, which is about 30 minutes from where I am here in Poblado. It's very close to the Las Palmas area. And I'm gonna show you guys that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so when going to social media with this device, and those of you who have an Android as well as an iPhone, you can tell the difference. Like most people who just have Android, it's going to be kind of hard understanding what I'm saying. But for those of you who have iPhones, the experience, in my opinion, is a little bit better with social media, especially Facebook, Instagram. When you're posting to those sites, the experience on the iPhone is just a little bit better. And the photo quality, in my opinion, again, is better coming from the iPhone because it's more optimized for the iPhone than it is for Android phones. That's in my opinion, all right? But with that being said, guys, hey, I appreciate everybody watching. Just a quick video to show the video and the photo quality coming from the iPhone, which has been awesome, okay? I didn't use any of the 40 megapixel raw photos. Everything that I took was in automatic settings using the main lens on the rear at 12 megapixels. And then the one video I showed where me in the front, that was using an app, and that app is called Mixcam right there. You can download that app, and there's a variety of different things you can do with that app with Mixcam. So I'll be back and I'll talk about some more of these apps that I have and how I use them with the iPhone. But there's a ton of different things that you can do. You can't customize this phone like you can with Android, but there's still a lot that you can do on the iPhone. But all right guys, but with that being said, that's going to be it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.